This is BioRogue. It's a top-down twin-stick shooter, roguelike, all about narrative. The core idea is that in this game, fish are guns. So as you play the game, you learn the narrative, you defeat enemies, you're going against this big regime, and you collect these mutagens that you put on your fish that changes both how they work as guns, but also how they look, how they act, and things like that. And that's sort of the core pitch of our game. It's really exciting. We got a lot of content in the works.
Wishlist it?
They can. We have a QR code. If you look up BioRogue, if you look up Grizzly Moose Games, we're all online. We have socials, networks on like YouTube. I think we're also on Instagram and TikTok. We have a website. So please, we are doing playtesting right now. You can sign up as well if you find us online. Yeah, please feel free to play. It's really fun. I hope people like it.
Okay, how big is your team?
Our team is around 10 people.
And what engine are you using?
We're using Godot engine.
All of this was his doing. By pursuing his mad science, he's doomed us all while he sits comfortably in his ivory tower. But he's made one fatal mistake. He made me. I was his pawn, but now I've gone rogue.